What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a great night. I know it's kind of late on the East Coast, and I really want to thank you guys for being here. For those who can attend, a little bit late, guys. I did, go out and meet a few people tonight. So unfortunately, it ran a little bit late. But I really want to thank you guys that are here with me at midnight. And I promise that I will give you my best effort to make sure this is worth your time. So thank you so much for staying up. And let's get right into this. Hit me with a one if you can hear me loud and clear. And let's get right into it. All right. So today we're talking about the 3 deadly sins of trading. Okay. And the first thing that I want to talk about, let's get right into it, guys. The first thing that I want to talk about is time frame. Okay. And this is one of the biggest sins. And I'm going to tell you this from actually being a trader. Okay. So here's the thing. A lot of times people say, "Hey, Rich, what's the best time frame to trade? What's is it the 5 minute? Is it the 3 minute? Is it the 1 minute? Is it the 15 minute?" Okay. And this is the thing you have to understand. Lower time frames are for scalping and day trading. Okay. Higher are for swing and investing. So a lot of the time, the first deadly sin, guys, is you start off with a day trade, and that day trade somehow turns into an investment. Hit me with a five if that makes sense. Do not get your time frame confused. Okay. It's either you're going to day trade this or you're going to swing trade this. If you overlap, this is when you'll make the biggest mistakes. And I've made a big mistake doing this in my career. So that's why I wanted to tell you. So, what will happen is essentially in the beginning, so you might take a trade like here on the 5 minute chart, and you might look at the daily chart like this on SPY and you say, "Hey, you know what? SPY is very bullish. So, you know what? I'm just going to hold this." And then all of a sudden, guys, what can happen is you have a trade that kills you in the long run. Hey, what's going on, Tyrone? What's going on, Reggie, Hepcat, Wanda, Omar, Billy, Jonathan? What's going on, George? All right, good to see you. Way. All right, good to see you guys. All right. So know your time frame. So let me give you a good example. Here we go. Let's go to the 3 minute chart today, okay? And I will hit the replay. All right. So let's start off with this 3 minute chart. So let me ask you guys this. Rod, what's going on, brother? Brendan, what's going on? Hey, boom, 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 boom. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much for being here, my friends. All right. So if you're on the 3 minute chart, what kind of trading would you be doing on the 3 minute chart? Let's talk about that. So let's write that down here. So let's go as low as 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Okay. That's how I want to classify. What would you be doing on these time frames? What do you guys think, Spud? What's going on? Zach's motivation. What's going on, brother? What would you be doing? So on this time frame, my friends, you have to set a rule. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute is strictly scalping and day trading. That's it. And then we go down here. Once we get above the 15-minute can be day or scalp, day or swing. And then 30-minute, 1 hour, daily. Okay. And then we start getting to weekly, monthly. Those are all long-term holdings. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to go to the 3 minute chart. I'm going to hit the replay. Bang. Okay. Here we go. Right there. Boom. Okay. So I'm on the 3 minute chart right here. All right. Here we go. Here's a 3 minute candle. I'm going to hop into the Discord right here. Good morning, friends. Slight gap up. Our long entry is 45538. Team, I'm going to go for the 3 minute orb. Be ready. So I went long at 936. And if you can see here, target one hit at 938. Okay. So off of the 3 minute chart, guys, the 3 minute chart, let me draw this for you right here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw. The 3 minute chart can do this, it could do that, it could do that, it could do all of this. Okay. Does that matter? Hit me with a one if you think yes. Hit me with a two if you think no. Does this matter? Does the 3 minute candle matter? What do you guys think? It's a hard question. Okay. But here's the truth. The 3 minute candle, this one 3 minute candle means absolutely nothing if you compare it to the weekly and the monthly candle. Because this 3 minute candle, guys, is just 3 minutes of trading. But when it comes to day trading, when it comes to scalping, this candle means everything. Okay. So here we go. So I'll draw this for you. Here's our Fibonacci. So we went long on the break of this 3-minute candle right here. I'll show you guys in the Discord. So long at 9:36 right there. Here we go. Let's play this through. Bang. Fast forward. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. So there we go. So we got to our 272 target and we got to our 50% of target. That's what I'm looking for as a scalper, as a day trader. That's what I'm looking for. That move right there, guys, on futures, that's 3 points. That's 4 points. That's $150 a pop. That's $200 a pop. From a day trading perspective, guys, I'm absolutely happy with that. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. However, what I'm not going to do here, my friends, is I'm not going to say, oh, you know what? I'm up $200. So you know what? I'm going to hold this because the market is going up forever. Then this is what happens to you. Bang. Okay. So you get all this chop. It chops you out. You have to. The first sin of trading is not understanding your time frame. Okay. Lower time frames are for scalping and day trading. Higher time frames are for swing trading and investing. You must understand that. Okay. So if I go to Microsoft over here and I go to the weekly chart, this has been the best investment / swing trade I've made of my life. So I went long using the Fibonacci extension right here. Okay. Right in the 240 area, right around here. And it's been the best investment of my life. Okay. However, guys, if it moves up and down 1% every day, I don't give a shit. Okay. Why? Because I know I'm playing it for the next few months, for the next few years. Hit me with a 3 if that makes sense. When I'm playing SPY and I'm day trading, I'm playing it for the next 3 candles, the next 4 candles, the next 5 candles. That's absolutely critical, absolutely important. And I really, really want you guys to understand that because that is so, so key. Okay. Right. The second thing, the second deadliest sin, guys, is the instrument. Instrument. I'm going to tell you guys things that people won't tell you. So people are going to tell you, oh, respect your stop loss. You know what I mean, guys? Take the profits, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to tell you the truth. The truth is, all of that shit, you guys already know what that is. Okay. So respect your time frame. If you're day trading, you're day trading. If you're swing trading, you're swing trading. If you're investing, you're investing. When you start mixing them together, you have 3 girlfriends. When all 3 girlfriends become your wife, that's when you got a problem. Okay. If all 3 girlfriends can remain your girlfriends, you're going to have a good time. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. Okay. So but then we go to the second thing is the instrument. Okay. So we have shares. We have futures. And we have options. Okay. So what do we do, guys, in this situation? So my go-to shares are always for the long term. Okay. Shares are for the long term because there's no time limit on shares. You can hold shares until you're dead and then you can give it to somebody else. You can transfer shares to, your kids. Shares are shares. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. The end. You put $100 in, you put $100, you can lose $100. That's shares. Futures and options are 2 different things. Futures are margin. Futures, you're using leverage capital to make big gains. Okay. Bang, bang. Okay. Here we go. Let's go to the futures chart and I'll show you today as an example. Okay. So here we go. So here was the same 3-minute that I was talking to you about. So here's a 3-minute chart. Let's go back. Where the hell is 9:30? So that's Wednesday. So that's a gap. So this is after hours. You can see, guys. Oh, we gap down after hours. We put in the Nirvana and another. I love those Nirvana patterns, guys. The blue, I love it. All right. Anyways, we'll go back here to 9:30, which was right here. Okay. So here's the 9:30. Okay. So let's do the same thing. We'll take the Fibonacci, put it on low to high right here. Bang, bang. So let's go take the measuring tool from the entry about to the 50% extension, guys. That's about 4 points. Okay. So 4 points is $200. Okay. It went up even higher. Let's measure the capacity here, guys. About 618, about 5 points, $250 a contract. That's futures. Futures, you can make little moves, make a shit ton of money. However, there's the possibility of getting margin called. So when you're trading futures, guys, you need to have a stop loss. Shares, they're more lenient. If you whatever you put in, that's what you can lose. You put in 10 grand, you can lose 10 grand. The end. Okay. Now options becomes another layer because options require you to fight against time. All right. So with the options, here we go. So when we do from Fibonacci perspective, right? Here we go. So, the last good Fibonacci we had. So here's Friday as an example here. So we took this short right here. So with Fibonacci, you take your high to low, you take your pullback. Here's your 618 short. And then within the first hour, guys, you're scaling out, you're hitting profits. So the Fibonacci requires another factor. It's called time. So you need to get time right. So whenever you're trying to get time right, guys, you want to use the Fibonacci. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. And I have a lot of guides, Fibonacci. Hit the comment, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Because what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to give you everything that I have, my heart and soul. I'm going to give it all to you because I'm here, guys. I'm here and I appreciate you guys. I know it's midnight for a lot of us, but we're here. We're here because we want to get better. If you don't want to get better, you're not here. Okay. There's only a few people here, but we're here because we want to get better, because everything that they promised us in life, we deserve it. Everything that everybody else has, we deserve it. You need to understand that concept. Okay. That's the most important thing. Don't let anybody take your dreams away from you. You get better. We get better every single day. So here we go. Understand the instrument. Okay. If you're watching the video right now and you might say, hey, Rich, I need some more guidance right here. I'm going to click show more right here. Futures and conditional orders. Click on these two links. Read the guide. I have full videos on this. These two can change your life. Trust me when I say that, my friends. Okay. All right. So now the last thing. So we talked about, we're going to summarize here. The first thing was time frame. The second thing was instrument. The third thing is consistency. Okay. The third thing is consistency. This is the biggest problem in trading. The biggest problem in trading is you're not consistent. Okay. The Lamborghini drives by. I want the Lamborghini. The BMW drives by. I want the BMW. The Audi drives by. I want the Audi. But what do you really want? How many of you know what you really want? What I want out of trading is I want financial freedom. I want to be able to trade 1 to 2 hours a day, okay, and make a living and be happy. All right. I want to have freedom in my life. I want to have 1 to 2 hours a day. I want to automate my trades. I want to walk away and I want to be able to make the maximum amount of money I can in that given time and live the rest of my life. Hit me with a 15 if you agree. But the problem is, my friend, the saddest thing about this industry is that no matter what you do, all right, you might say, hey, Rich, I love the Fibonacci. I listen to Fibonacci. Your Fibonacci is amazing. You might go on somebody else's stream. Hey, you know what? I like order flow. I like Joe and Mo. You might go to somebody else's stream. Say, hey, you know what? I like flags and hags. Whatever you like, my friends. The truth is this: consistency. It doesn't matter what you trade because everything will work at some point. That's the beauty of the stock market. The beauty of this game is every single strategy will have their time to shine. And when those strategies are shining, everybody will be taking glory. However, if you're not consistent, you will miss those opportunities. Because what a lot of traders do is as they continuously change their strategy, the moment they get on the strategy, it starts losing. And then they go to something else, it's losing. It goes because you're always one step behind because you don't have the courage to be consistent. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. You must be consistent. This is why I created the 100 trade challenge. And nobody is asking you to risk your capital. Do 100 paper trades. I dare you. I dare you to do 100 Fibonacci trades and tell me where you land. I dare you to do it. Whatever you do, whatever you want, do 100 trades and evaluate yourself. Treat this like a business, my friends. Okay? You can't open your business. One day you're selling socks. Okay? You know what? The next day I'm selling steak, and then the next day after that I'm selling plants. Hit me with the 20 if that makes sense. This is the thing. It's such a simple concept, but when you're in it, guys, take a step back. When you're in the fire, are you feeling like, well, this is not working? I got to go RSI, MACD, okay? Track D. I got to do all these. Don't feel like that. In the beginning, detach yourself from the money. If you don't want to trade money, detach yourself from the money. Put the money aside, do the paper trading, do the work, do the back testing, do 100 trades, and then look at your results and you tell me what do you feel confident about. Okay? You must have consistency, guys. I've done probably over 10,000 trades in my career. And many times I'll go on losing streaks and I feel like to give up. But I always try to get to a certain threshold. Let me evaluate this after 100 trades. Let me evaluate this at the end of the year. Let me evaluate this after 6 months. I want you to start thinking like the CEOs that you are. Okay, hit me with a 30. Hit me with the 30 if that makes sense. You are the CEO of this business in trading. You need to start treating it like you're the CEO. The CEO doesn't come into business every day and change their product or come in every single day and change their strategy. The CEO does not do that. I want you to sit down with the data and I want you to evaluate it. And if you are struggling to evaluate, if you need help, guys, just message me, man. I've been doing this for years. Message me. I've been helping people for years. Message me. I'll try to help you the best that I can. Okay, email me. Whatever. Go on the website. Leave a tradingwars.com. Look, I created this section here, right here, guys. Look, I'll go to resources for you guys. Let me know. Hey, Rich, I did 100 trades. This is my problem. This is what's going on. I love to look at it. I love to learn. I love to help you guys right here. Ask questions right here. Tell me what's going on. I'm here for you guys, man. If you guys don't think I've made a lot of money already, that I could walk away, I can. I can walk away at any time. But I love this. This is my game. You know, growing up, I always wanted to be a basketball player, but I wasn't tall enough. So this is my basketball game. You understand what I'm saying? Hit me with a 3 if that resonates with you. This is my game. Okay? And I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. All right? So that's it, my friends. Just want to wrap it up. I really want to just show you the truth. I don't care about your target, your stop loss. I don't care about any of that. I'm telling you what is the biggest 3 sins based on my trading career. Time frame. Okay? You take a day trade on the 1-minute chart, 3-minute, and oh, you know what? Market is going up, guys. Tesla earnings is coming out tonight. Oh, guess what? I'm going to hold this. And then next thing you know, you're down 25K, you're down 30K. Instrument. Okay? So, you know, you are trading options with a 1-week expiry, but you're looking at the chart from 6 months from now. You want, oh, this is going to go up 6 months from now. Right? So what are you doing? In that case, you want to be hitting shares. Consistency. Okay? You are the CEO of this game. The CEO doesn't walk into Walmart every day and say, hey, we're going to close this. We're going to start selling dog food only. You know what I'm saying? You are the CEO of this. Evaluate your data, evaluate your results, take your time, be patient, put the money aside, okay? Put the money aside for now and understand what the plan is. What's the game plan? You don't got to risk money. Let me risk my money. I risk my money for testing for you guys. I come in here and I say, hey, how do you think I came up with these patterns? I came up with this Holy Grail right here and I came up with this Nirvana pattern. Look, the Ragnarok here. I came up with these patterns because it's the capital that I put in. So to understand, is this worth it? The back testing that I put in to understand if it's worth it. Do that level of detail, and that's the way you get the best results, okay? From my experience, guys, those are the 3 deadly sins. And I want you guys to have a great night, and I really want to thank you for coming out. As always, Tradingwars.com. Here's 5 free day trading university lessons. Download the PDF and read the guide, guys. Check this out. Okay, a lot of free information right here. If you want to come in the Discord, it's totally up to you. No obligation. $49.99 a month. You know, I'm not raising the price because I don't need to. Come check me out. Tradingwars.com. Come check me out in the Discord. We trade live every single day. I'm doing a live stream on Friday. I'm going to open up my screen and I'm going to day trade with you guys again. Okay? So just make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And I want to thank you very much for your time again. And I'm extremely grateful for everything you guys have believed in me for so long. And I believe in you. Okay? And you know what? On the road to success, there's going to be failure. And if you haven't failed yet, or if you're not used to failure, you better get used to it. Because when you want to get big things in life, guys, sometimes you got to get kicked in the nuts. All right. And sometimes you gotta fall down the ladder before you can climb back up. So listen, take the money out of the equation. Don't even risk any money. Put the money aside, follow my journey, learn from me. Okay. Paper trade, back test, do those things first. And when you feel confident, guys, then you risk your capital. Thank you very much for your time, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.